In this module, we are going to understand how ERP systems can help make good and effective SOP, that is, sales and operation planning. Now, when you are going to use the ERP, you have all the data of the sales, of the customer, and the related and associated data. But the question comes in कि जो data manage हो रहा है, is it going to be useful for making the production plan, and how it is going to be useful? So in ERP system, whatever type of ERP system you are using, better data, better information or good information will lead to a good decision making. तो जो आपके plans, production plan बनेंगे, वो accurate होंगे based on accurate and consistent data. तो हम इस मॉड्यूल के अंदर अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि कैसे सेल्स एंड ऑपरेशन प्लानिंग इफेक्टिवली ERP सिस्टम के थ्रू यूज होती है. Another associated concept in this one is rough cut capacity planning. It is important to understand this. It is a common term in manufacturing for aggregate planning. Aggregate planning means the whole amount of planning which you are going to use for the production of specific item. तो it is a common term जो most commonly use होती है in mostly manufacturing industries for aggregate overall planning के लिए, and disaggregated to generate detailed production schedule. You have the production schedule which is an aggregate, and you have a disaggregated schedule that has a detailed production schedule. Now, your detailed SOP, sales and operation planning क्या होगा? It is a planning that is done on aggregate product, the overall product which you have, to make process easier to manage and evaluate. तो overall process को आप detail production plans के अंदर split कर देंगे ताकि process को easily manage and evaluate किया जाए. Aggregate plan must be disaggregated to that more detailed plans can be made for individual products. आप overall product groups का भी कर सकते हैं, आप individual products का भी कर सकते हैं. You probably have a production plan for a year on the all the products which you are going to manufacture. लेकिन आप उसको disaggregated करके better manage and evaluate कर सकते हैं. For example, उस overall production plan को लेकर आप इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड डिटेल प्रोडक्शन प्लान बना सकते हैं. वो कैसे बनेगा? अगर ईयर का आपके पास मौजूद है, अगर सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास मौजूद है, कैपेसिटी मौजूद है उस प्रोडक्शन लाइन की, सेल फोरकास्ट फिगर्स मौजूद हैं, तो आप इजीली मंथली बेसिस पे और वीकली बेसिस पे उस प्रोडक्शन, उस प्रोडक्ट ग्रुप की आप डिटेल स्केड्यूल बना सकते हैं. It applies simple capacity estimating technique to the production plan to see if the techniques are feasible. So, the rough cut capacity planning, you make sure that you apply this for the capacity estimating. You have to make sure capacity estimating accurate हो, manageable हो और easily evaluate हो सके. In SOP, which is sales and operation planning, rough cut capacity planning can be used to evaluate plan feasibility. Now that is very important. If you are going to evaluate the feasibility of the plan, you have to make sure that rough cut capacity planning must be done. For simple products, the capacity estimation are pretty accurate. Simple products mean that you know exactly what are the historical data, growth, what is the growth rate, what is the capacity, and we have probably 2 or 3 product groups, product item groups. For complicated assemblies, manufacturing processes, accurate rough cut capacity estimates are hard to achieve, because the more the manufacturing complexities are there, it is difficult to make a rough cut capacity planning. ERP system provides sophisticated sales and operation planning tools to be successful. So within no matter what type of ERP system you are using, generally good ERP system have a rough cut capacity planning tools so that you can make sure that the plan which you are going to propose is accurate, is manageable, and it is feasible. But another thing which is important is without the cooperation and agreement on forecast, because generally forecast आप क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं, क्वालिटेटिव मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. बट इफ यू हैव कॉपरेशन एंड एग्रीमेंट ऑन दोज फोरकास्ट, sales promotion, no matter what type of sales promotion you are giving, and product plans, a company will have excess quantities. अगर cooperation नहीं होगी और agreement नहीं होगा तो उसका effect क्या होगा? You have excessive quantities कि the item which you are producing वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे जो डिमांड को मीट नहीं कर पाएंगे. शॉर्टेज ऑफ अदर्स, अगर डिमांड प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं कैलकुलेट हो रही, नहीं मैनेज हो रही, कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा है या कम है, तो शॉर्टेज होगी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स की. एंड हायर कॉस्ट ड्यू टू ओवर टाइम एंड एक्सपेडाइटेड शिपिंग. तो जनरली कंपनीज विल कम एंड इनकर कॉस्ट एंड टाइम, ताकि अगर प्रॉपर प्लान एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो रहा तो ये प्रॉब्लम्स कंपनी को फेस करने पड़ेंगे.